Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, and I just want to do some messy swiping. But first I'm going to grab that piece of fuzz that dropped in the middle of the canvas. So that is my electric blue, my electric blue from Arteza. This is a turquoise that I had to make up my own color with phthalo glue. Phthalo blue from Arteza and lake blue from Anita's. This is a color shift. I think I made this up. I really do. I don't know what it is. This is a turquoise color shift, a turquoise flash from Folk Art. I am going to indulge myself and put a little bit of the purple flash in there because I really want to. And I think I'm also going to put some silver in because I can. And I might put it down here. I don't know why. I'll figure it out in a minute. I have some Amsterdam Black with pre-stained wood conditioner in it. It's my cell activator. And my recipe is below the video. I'm going to use my weird new tool. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link on the link tree. Underneath, show more. Because I have all that black, I'm just going to keep going. This is going to look like water again. Didn't put any white in, but the silver is acting the same way. I do need to wipe that off, even though I don't want to. Not seeing much of that purple. I might still be tempted to swipe through with a card. Let's see what happens when I do that. Maybe I want to add a whole bunch of pink because this has just become an experiment. So I don't know what that thing is right there, but it's making a dragging sound that's very disconcerting. Looks like a big paint chip. It does not want to even come off my tweezers. Alright, I kind of don't mind that, but I'm not sure I'm in love with it. So, I'm going to play with all of this. Any which way I feel like it. So that's how I'm going to start. I have some paint on the canvas, and that's a place to start. So I'm going to do what I like to do and create something out of pretty much nothing and hope for the best. I'm going to grab some of this Folk Art orange, red. I want some Prussian blue, and I think I'm going to put a bunch of white in there, and I still want some orange. I tried to avoid it, but it's not working. So that was a weird way to start. I don't usually start that way. Oh, that's plugged. I want that too. Alright, bear with me for a moment. I'm not sure I should keep using the big card, and I don't think I want to go back to using the little tool. didn't use any green recently, and I think my stuff needs it. That's not coming out. Still not coming out. I have other green. I have, oh, another plug bottle of green, and there's one. All right, I'm taking a chance. Whoa, that was not what I expected. Never mind. Okay. This reminds me of something else I did recently. And I gotta say, it's not floating my boat yet. I'm gonna throw that card in the bucket so I don't use it anymore. And what's one of my old favorite things to do? Put some black marks in. And that is the Anita's white metallic. I think I'm going to grab my little card and some black and take some chances. Knock some of that paint right off on the canvas. Grab some more black. You know what I'm not using? I'm not using the Hot Orchid, and I want to. And I also want to use this neon purple from Folk Art. Oh, I kind of like that mark right where it is. I want more orange, and I have it. I do if it opens. It was open a second ago. It can't do that. Come on. That can be so frustrating. All right, we got something. Something is better than nothing. I just need to give myself permission to play. I need to play today. I really want that bottle open too. This is going to be kind of neat. It'll be better if I have that bottle open. So I'm just going to open it. Ah! It's really tempting to go ahead and grab back that spinny tool and play with it. Really tempted by some green. Yeah, I like that. Strange colors. I never did add the pink. That's the ticket. It's getting better. Take my word for it, hopefully. I wish I had my little tiny tools that I was using earlier, but I do have a palette knife. I wonder what that'll do. that will help me if I dip it in the Amsterdam black. That'll help me make some cells, which I really do like. I was just thinking, wouldn't it be fun to play with the airbrush? But I also have the Amsterdam black, and I could put some cells in. Wonder what that would be like. This is kind of cool. I'm not sure I'm ready to mess with this too much. But I was definitely thinking about this earlier. So let's see if I can grab my little bottle. There we go. Just let some cells form. It occurs to me also that somewhere around here, right close at hand, I have a pan of colors. There we go. They'd be kind of fun to add in if I'm cautious. We'll see how cautious I can be. Otherwise, they're probably going to get wasted. I like adding dimension by overlaying marks over other marks, and that's pretty cool. Just adding floating lines is kind of cool too. This is cells and mark making and bloom breath? Whatever you want to call it. But I think I'm just going to keep doing this until I figure out that I've used enough of my residuals. Yeah, I really like that. Where else? Getting close. It's a weird one, but that's okay. It makes me think that, you know, at some point in time, rather than shoveling colors out of my iPod case, I could probably just spatula them. And in this case, dribble them. The more I play with them, the more brown they become though, because of the orange and the pink and the yellow and the purple in there. So am I done? That's a good question. I'm not sure I'm done. Trying to decide where to work if I'm going to work. Ooh, that was good. I'm like, I was about to say, I'm happy with these as long as I don't get those lumps on the end, but kind of missed. Some of the white was good. There's nothing keeping me from adding some more if I want to. I definitely would love to at least once play with that airbrush. If it's primed, we'll do that. Well, that was kind of cool. I want to do it again. I want to find, there's the red. Yeah, I like that. The orbs. The orbs, they're coming on. Do it again. That is a great color, that color shifting red-orange from Folk Art. Well, that was unexpected. Let's see what happens to that when it starts to pop. I think I want some, oh, I'm having too much fun. I've got 2 minutes left and a strong desire to do something outrageous. Starting with that right there. Maybe not outrageous, but something. Alright, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do that again. Am I? Maybe not. Maybe I'll do that right next to it. So I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you, finally. If you're a new subscriber, please be welcomed. If you've been here a while, thank you so much for still being here. I think it's time to intervene with a little bit of gold. I'm really tempted to just try the cell activator. Probably should have put some gold down underneath that, but pretty sure it's going to have some kind of reaction that I like. I don't even know if you'll see this right until the end because I'm having too much fun and I'm not sure I'm going to stop to call part 1 and part 2. There's a little color shifting turquoise. We're almost to the place where I should contemplate giving it up. I could put some white in too, that might be neat. Some black and white. Never thought to use just one color, and I'm not sure it's a good idea yet either. Let's try it with 2 before you're gone. Oh, darn. You're going to be gone. Check the end screen video for the exhibition, and notice that there's a monthly drawing and the prizes are shown. If you contribute to help keep the studio rolling through PayPal or Patreon, you can find the icons on my bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Still didn't put the gold in, but that's probably okay. I am going to keep playing. And I will see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you much. Check my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no other cost to you and it helps me out. Oh, wait. Ha! I should just leave that like it is. That's kind of cool. Alright, you guys. I should zoom in. I should take a picture like it is right now, because I don't know what it's going to look like after this. I like adding a few spirals sometimes. That's kind of a different thing. I might continue to play with this like I told you. Oh, you're still here. Let's zoom in. There's a lot going on in this.